Hello, one and all present here. I am Mohak Mehrotra, legal intern at LEXIS and Company, and would be discussing about the important topic in insurance law, that is the voyage of the sea. The first one is insurable interest. In insurance law, the voyage of the sea refers to the transportation of goods or people by sea to obtain marine insurance coverage. The insured party must have an insurable interest in the voyage. That means they must stand to suffer a financial loss if the insured property is damaged or lost during the sea journey. So the second one is marine perils. Marine insurance cover risks specific to sea voyage, including perils such as storms, collisions, piracy, fire, and sinking. The policy will detail the specific perils covered and may include any exclusions. So, sorry, the policy will detail the specific perils covered and any exclusions. Now, jumping on to the third one, that is indemnity principle. The marine insurance operates on the principle of indemnity, which means that the insured party will be compensated for the actual financial loss suffered up to the policy limits. Over insurance or double recovery is generally not allowed. Now, the fourth one is valuation. The insured value of the cargo vessel is determined and agreed upon between the insurer and the insured. In the event of a loss, the insured party will be compensated based on this agreed value. The general average in certain situations, such as when a vessel undergoes intentional sacrifices or expenses to safeguard the voyage, a general average may be declared. In such cases, the loss is shared proportionally among all the parties involved, including the insurer, cargo owners, and vessel owners. So the sixth one is sue and labor. The insured has a duty to take reasonable steps to minimize the loss or damage to insured property during the voyage. The insurer may reimburse the insured for reasonable expenses incurred in taking these measures, known as sue and labor expenses. The notice of loss. In the event of loss or damage during the sea voyage, the insured party must promptly notify the insurer for documentation and evidence of the loss. So, jumping on to the next one, that is the eighth one, is claims handling. The insurer will investigate the claim, assess the extent of the loss, and determine coverage based on the terms of the policy. This may involve surveyors, adjusters, or other experts to evaluate the damage and determine the amount of compensation. Subrogation, that it is if the insurer compensates the insured for a loss, the insurer may have the right to pursue legal action against a third party who is responsible for the loss, seeking to recover the amount paid to the insured. The last but not the least is the coverage options. Marine insurance can be obtained for various types of risk, including hull insurance of vessel, cargo insurance for goods, and protection and indemnity insurance for liability arising from the voyage. So now I'm ending this video, and if any one of you have any doubt regarding the same, do let me know in the comment box.